तर hello friends, we will discuss about the tissue. What is meant by tissue? टिश्यूला मराठीमध्ये उती असं म्हणतो आपण. मग उती ह्या कशापासून डेव्हलप होतात? इट इज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम सेल. सो सेल इट इज अ स्ट्रक्चर अँड फंक्शनल unit of life called as a cell. Cell, it is a basic unit of life. It is a fundamental unit of life. So these are the originated from cell. That is a tissue. Tissue, it is a group of cells having similar structure and function. Structure and functions. Oh, so it is a similar structure and function and embryonic origin also. So they originated from a cell. The word tissue was first given by the French anatomist. It is a French anatomist. So anatomy, it is the internal study of organs. It is also called as pathologist. It is one of the scientists that is a pathologist also. That name are Marie Francois Xavier Bichat. So Marie Francois Xavier Bichat in 1771 up to 1802. So the first tissue, the word tissue was given by the French anatomist, and that is also called pathologist. So Marie Francois Xavier Bichat, it is also called as father of histology. So it is called as father of histology. So tissue originated from cell. So cell is the basic unit. The group of cells having similar function is called as tissue. And such a tissue, they originated from have similar functions, that is also called as organs, and they collected from organs, that is organ system, and you have to make a such body. It is two type of cell, that is somatic cells and germinal cells here. Soma means body. So histology, histo means the tissue, and logy means to study, that is histology. So the study of structure and arrangement of tissue is also called as a histology. The definition of histology, the study of structure and arrangement of the tissue, called as a histology. So the tissues have four types. That is a epithelial tissue, मराठीमध्ये त्याला विस्तृती असं म्हणतो. कनेक्टिव्ह टिश्यू, त्याला की आपण संयोजी ऊती असं म्हणतो. मस्क्युलर टिश्यू, त्याला आपण स्नायू ऊती असं म्हणतो. आणि नर्वस टिश्यू, त्याला आपण चेता ऊती असं म्हणतो. These are the four type of tissue. It is the most important topic of your NEET examination also, and it is a relevant topic also. So first of all, we will discuss about in the four type, that is the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. These are the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue ला आपण विस्तृती असं म्हणतात. That is also called as above the layer on the body, that is epithelial cell or tissue. So epithelial tissue have two types, that is a simple epithelial tissue and compound epithelial tissue. So first of all, we will discuss about the one by one. That is a type of simple epithelial tissue. So simple epithelial tissue have 7 types. That is a cymose epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, another cuboidal epithelial tissue, ciliated epithelial tissue, and granular epithelial tissue, sensory epithelial tissue, and germinal epithelial tissue. Okay. Another compound epithelial tissue, I have two types, that is stratified epithelial tissue and transitional epithelial tissue. So we will discuss one by one. That is a cymose epithelial tissue. It is found in blood. So cymose epithelial tissue, they are found in blood, alveoli and colon. Functions these of tissue, that is a protection and absorption. Protections and absorption. Another transportation, filtration, secretion, this type of tissue, that is a cymose epithelial tissue. These tissue are flat. These are the flat and have nucleus in the center. So these are the cymose epithelial tissue. Another columnar, another second one, that is a cuboidal epithelial tissue. Cuboidal, these are the shape of this cuboidal one. Such type of the tissue The nucleus is also in the center. Functions are, it is also absorption and secretion. These cuboidal epithelial tissue found in pancreatic duct and salivary duct. So these are also found in PCT, that is a proximal cannulated tissue, and distal cannulated tissue of nephron. Third one, that is a columnar epithelial tissue. The columnar epithelial tissue, it is also a filler-like structure. That is a filler-like structure. It is also one of the filler-like structure. And here, have nucleus is oval in shape. Oval in shape, present in lower side. Present in lower side. This type of the tissue, the nucleus have present in lower side. This type of the tissue. Functions of these are secretion and absorption. Columnar epithelial tissue have functions as secretion and absorption. Found in inner intestine, gallbladder, gastric intestine, gastric glands. These are. A fourth one, ciliated epithelial tissue. It is a cuboidal and columnar type. Free end of the free end cell have hair-like structure called as cilia. So these type of the ciliated epithelium tissue have a hair-like free end of these cells have a hair-like structure called as a cilia. Nucleus is oval and placed at the basal end. Nucleus is oval and placed at basal end. Functions of the ciliated epithelial tissue to create the movement, and entry of poison particle of trachea. So these type of the ciliated epithelial cell, it is the most important to involve in poison particle. These ciliated epithelium cells is found in the buccal cavity of frog, nasal cavity, oviduct in vertebrates. Okay, and fifth one, that is a granular epithelial tissue. It is a columnar cuboidal also, but they are pyramidal one. So nucleus, it is a large situated at the found in the base type. It is have in the granular epithelial tissue have unicellular gland in the goblet gland of intestine and multicellular in the salivary glands. Another one, sensory epithelial tissue. It is a sixth type of epithelial one. That is it is a modified columnar one. It is modified to columnar, elongated, and neurosensory cells are present. So it pursue external and internal stimuli. That is the environmental stimuli one. That is a pursue external and internal stimuli. They are found in nasal cavity, that is the nose, ear, and eyes. That is photoreceptors. This one. And last one, that is a germinal epithelial tissue. So germinal means that is gamete cells. Okay. So germinal epithelial cell, it is divided into mitotically and produces haploid gamete one. So these are present in lining of seminiferous tubules, lining of oviduct one, and such type of the epithelial tissue one. And second one type, that is a compound epithelial tissue also. These are the two types, that is stratified epithelial tissue. These functions have protections. Stratified epithelial tissue have functions as a protections. They are found in the skin, esophagus, cornea, vagina, rectum. And second one, that is the last B, transitional epithelial tissue. Transitional epithelial tissue that functions as a digestion of that is a destination of organs. Destination of organs, and they are found in urinary bladder. Okay, so these are the topics here that important of your NEET examination. That is a tissue, and they originated from the cells. Okay, thank you.